Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate sa reading. Okay, let's see, Capricorn, what's coming to you ngayong 2025 sa inyong kaperahan. Sensuality, freedom flowing. I think you will go with the flow, no? Kung saan ka man dalhin ng iyong creativity, dun ka. Okay? Parang yung iba sa inyo, it's like self-expression. So, pwedeng ang source of income ninyo will be expressing yourself. Or, maaring mas magiging open kayo to new ideas ngayong 2025. Kung paano kumita ng pera. Iba't ibang pamamaraan. You have trust. You trust yourself, you trust the universe, nagtitiwala ka sa kakayanan mo. Maari ring yung pagtitiwala is also a main concern for you ngayong 2025 na minsan kailangan nating magtiwala sa isang idea, sa isang tao, sa isang project. Kasi you'll never know kung dun ka talaga sisikat, dun ka yayaman, dun ka uunlad, 'di ba? Peace, ayan. So, there is peace. Kapayapaan ng isip for you ngayong 2025. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung meron kayong peace of mind, ibig sabihin hindi nyo masyadong poproblemahin yung pera, yung career, yung trabaho ninyo ngayong 2025. So, you might be, finding solutions sa mga challenges, kahit na may problema, may challenges, nagagawan mo agad ng paraan. Let's see what else. Wow, you have the 4 of Wands, so stability in your career, in your finances. You have the Death card, which is transformation. Wow, ang ganda. You have the 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is success. Okay? So, maaring you are going to experience success. This is recognition. Wow, 3 of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Oh my God. Capricorn. Napakaganda ng 2025 para sa inyo. The Ace of Swords is a new idea. It's a bright idea. This can be a creative project, no? Na gagawin mo that will eventually grow, magmumultiply, mag-expand. This can be a business, a career. Merong collaboration dito, so pwedeng hindi ka nag-iisa dito sa trabaho na to, sa business na to, sa project na to. And you are going to grow. Kung may business ka, pwedeng dadami yung products mo or services mo, or mas maraming tatangkilik sa negosyo mo, mas marami kang clients, or mas dadami yung branches ng businesses mo. This is also a contract. So, I see you signing a contract. This can be a contract of collaboration. So, if you are sa social media, pwedeng may mga contract sa'yo dahil lalapit sa'yo yung mga brands to partner with you. 'Di ba? And with the 6 of Wands, this is success. I think, ngayong 2025, you are also going to be more competitive. Na you are doing your best. You're going to do your best. And yung best na yon, it will be rewarded with success. Meron ditong major transformation, a major change in your career, in your business, and your finances. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may transition from office job to work from home, or from work from home to office job, or pwedeng from employee to business owner. Okay? Or maaring magbabago yung pamumuhay mo. And with the Four of Wands, this is celebration. Okay? Some of you, Capricorn, I see na meron kang mga mabibiling properties, bahay, lupa, business na maitatayo na magiging maunlad. Grabe, ang gaganda ng mga cards ninyo. So, keep it going, no? Keep your creativity flowing. I think yung creativity na yan, nagfo-flow yan, lalo na kapag maliwanag yung isip nyo, clear yung isip nyo, wala kayong mga bagay na ikinaka-stress. Okay? So, yun yung goal ninyo for 2025, na magkaroon ng peace of mind. Kasi yung peace of mind na yan, yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng mga bagong ideas kung paano nyo mas mapauunlad ang career nyo, business nyo, finances nyo ngayong 2025. May mga worries. Yung iba nag-aalala. Wag na kayong mag-alala kasi nega energy yan eh. I mean, it's normal na sometimes, no, nag-aalala tayo. Pero, kung wala pa, it's in the future. It will only make you anxious, no? Wow, exploration. You are finding your way. Some of you, Capricorn, there is an opportunity to work abroad or to magkaroon ng training abroad or to travel abroad. Pwedeng for vacation. So, pay attention lang, Capricorn, sa mga actions ninyo na hindi nyo pinag-isipan. Okay? Kasi pwede itong makaapekto sa inyong reputation. Okay? And I also see this as parang meron kang, yung iba meron kayong mababasa, matututunan. Let's say, libro, no? Mababasa ang libro, or kung saan man, isang blog, or sa internet, na idea, no? Yung idea na yon, yun yung parang magbibigay sa inyo ng spark of curiosity na, uy, maganda to susubukan ko nga to, gagawin ko nga to. So you will definitely partner with someone, can be a family member, romantic partner, or business partner na katulong mo, no, magiging katuwang mo dito sa binibuild mo or i-build mo ngayong 2025 for your career or business. I also see a mentor, magme-mentor sa'yo. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Oh, wow. Ayan na. So, wala na kayong pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao, ano yung tingin ng ibang tao sa inyo. Dahil mas magiging totoo kayo sa inyong sarili. Example lang yan yung mga social media influencer, content creators. 'Di ba kung inuna nila yung hiya nila, hindi sila lalago, hindi sila uunlad. And ngayon, ang dami ng mga content creators, mga social media influencers, YouTubers, yung mga gumanda na yung buhay. Dahil kumbaga, hindi nila inisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao sa kanila. Use your discernment and fortitude to achieve your goals and find a new rhythm. Yes. So, mas magiging spot on ang inyong instinct, intuition ninyo in making decisions. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. O, diba? Grabe, new rhythms, new beginnings, new direction. Na kailangan mo daw magtiwala. That you are on the right path. Okay, let's see what else, Capricorn. Your purpose is personal expansion. Wow! So there's definitely expansion for you ngayong 2025. Expansion in your career, in your business. When you say expansion, it's growth, pag-unlad, paglakas. So how can you be more intentional with your choices and live with more purpose? Yes, so magiging intentional ka sa mga choices mo. Alam mo kasi kung ano ang magiging epekto nun para sa'yo. So pag-iisipan mong mabuti, you're going to use your discernment, and also you will connect to your instinct what is best for you in making decisions. So definitely 2025 is a year for expansion and growth for you in your career, your finances, in your money, your business. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Good luck for 2025, and I'll see you again.